Hey guys, it's Ron. How are you doing? Today I want to talk about Vegas Pro and scrubbing through your video. Now, here we have a video clip of me with my May vlog 2025. Let's just play this here just to show you what we're doing here. I went to the dentist yesterday. I have a tooth that's dead. And so, if you're, I'm not sure how you scrub in the video. I used to grab here. Show you this way. That's the incorrect way. The correct way is you grab. You can do it that way, but you can. The proper way is to grab the cursor and drag it through the video. That's the proper way of doing it. There's another way of doing this. It's down here on the right. You can use this.
And the body is running it. And this is from Stella. Thank you.
It's actually from there. There's similar to a specialist. And you can get precision, really precise with that as well. And there's another way of doing it as well. Is going to options, preferences. Right here. Allow control plus drag cursor style over scrub over events. Click on this. Apply. Okay. Now I hope it shows up with my recording software. Sometimes it doesn't show up the proper cursor icons. And let's just try it. So to activate this, hover over the cursor, press Control, and then drag. So that's another way of doing this. Is using this, and you can hear what's going on instead of scrubbing through and not hearing it. It's all preference. It's whatever you prefer. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Thank you for watching.